At the top tonight, abuse of power allegations. That is the reason that a former SAPD officer who lives in Atascosa County wants a district attorney to lose her job. The former officer filed a petition of removal against 81st Judicial District Attorney Audrey Gossett Louis. Under Texas law, anybody could do that against an elected official. The man tells our Erika Hernandez that the DA has been abusing her power for years.
Retired SAPD officer and Atascosa County resident Ernest Trevino is fed up.
She has been committing crimes for years and years, and nobody will investigate her.
In 2017, he was charged with illegal hunting and for not properly registering a car title after he complained about a hunter on his property to the game warden. Trevino claims Louis withheld information to the grand jury, and according to the petition, 2 years later, those charges were dismissed after the game warden admitted to using white lies to obtain search warrants.
They dragged it on for 3 additional years trying to make a deal with me, and I just refused. So at the end of the day, they had to dismiss the cases.
Not only does Trevino mention his case in the petition of removal, he alleges Louis of violating her oath, official misconduct, and official oppression, jury tampering, and mishandling of a murder case in Wilson County. All of it, Louis denies.
It's just completely 100% false. He is a disgruntled defendant who is very unhappy and continues to attempt to use the lawsuit and the criminal justice system and the courts to try to slander and defame me and get me to cower.
Louis also says Trevino in the past has filed lawsuits against her, including at the federal level, and even sent a letter to the state bar, all which have been dismissed. She believes this is all a political attack right before the upcoming primary.
This petition was only filed after I got an opponent. That is not a coincidence. This is kind of an abuse of the court system, and it's a frivolous suit that I think it will be transparent once again.
Trevino says none of it is politically motivated and that he filed the petition after she made it difficult for him to formally remove his cases off his record.
I'm not going to be intimidated. I'm not going to be lied to.
Louis says she had nothing to do with the filing and has had no conversations with the district clerks about it. We found out that Trevino's expungement filing that was rejected last year was just accepted yesterday.
So what's next in this case? Well, this week, presiding judge Sid Harrell signed an order appointing counsel on behalf of the state and Ernest Trevino. Ultimately, they will decide how this case moves forward. Erika Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
Now, we tried speaking with Louis's primary opponent about this. Tom Caldwell told us that he wouldn't comment since this has nothing to do with him. If you want to read that petition, you can visit our website, ksat.com.
Thanks for watching KSAT. If you're on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date on San Antonio's latest news and weather.